Was Alzheimer's almost forgotten from history? Now, German psychiatrist Alois Alzheimer's, yes, he was a real person, was studying his patient August Dieter, who was suffering from cognitive declining while she was aging. Now, it was typically thought as we get older, we just lose our mind, but he knew this wasn't so. He studied her brain when she died and saw she had amyloid plaques and neurofibrillary tangles, which are the biomarkers that cause the brain to misfire, which leads to this cognitive decline. Now, he would publish his findings and present them on November 3rd, my birthday, 1906, and his peers didn't seem too interested in it. But later on in 1910, the disease would later be named after Alois and be known as Alzheimer's disease from then on. Now, if you remember the movie The Notebook, the main character, Allie, was suffering from unspecified symptoms of dementia. Now, the difference between dementia and Alzheimer's is dementia is just an umbrella term to describe symptoms of memory loss and cognitive decline, while Alzheimer's is the actual disease that affects about 60 to 80% of people with dementia. You saw that Allie was still able to play the piano, but yet she couldn't remember her husband Noah. Now, Alzheimer's has other symptoms such as aggression, depression, loss of motor function, and also autonomic function such as their heart rate being erratic. Now, the caretakers deal with a lot too, and you can see with the funding being only about 550 million, though it costs about 220 billion opposed to cancer, which is about 5.7 billion in funding, but it costs 190 billion. It's not to say that neither disease is more or less important, but let's not forget about Alzheimer's. Get your mind right.